Merong isang sagot doon sa tanong na yon. There's one particular key to success in this situation. It was the 10 minutes that I gave you. To think about the time to think. Kasi minsan, we react as if we're in a game show. Diba? Parang may kailangan kang pindutin na buzzer at mag-react agad. We're always in a hurry to react to situation. But when we allow ourselves to think about the situation and go through the disputation process, kapag sinabi, Gail, sabi ni PJ, hindi ka raw dapat pagkatiwalang, luloko yun di ba? Pag gano'n agad ang reaction mo, at na-overwhelm ka na ng emotion, wala nang maayos na reasoning na pwedeng mangyari. Diba? It's important to recognize, how does this make me feel? And is this feeling or emotion justified? Is there another way of looking at the situation so that I can have a better way of dealing with the situation? And you'll find that even in distressing emotion, if you're a dog lover at nakita mo sinipa yung aso mo, okay, and you will feel na John Wicking your neighbor. John Wick ko yan, di ba? and pagdating sa boss, madali sabihin yes boss. Tapos saka ka magso-sorry later, di ba? And tignan mo, kaya ba talaga to? And if you're convinced na kailangan mong mag-negotiate to ask for a roadmap, di ba? There's no harm in doing that. I've worked with practically all the expats here. Siguro yung mga bago lang yung hindi, yung mga managers. And for the longest time, ang lagi sinasabi nila sa akin, alam mo, challenge ko, pag may pinagawa ako sa team ko, sasabihin sa akin, yes, kahit hindi. Sabi, can you do this? And the answer is yes. And then, saka magso-sorry later pag hindi kaya. No? So, yes now, sorry later. Diba? But they actually prefer, and I think everyone prefers that you tell them the truth. Kaya, hindi kaya, what kind of help do you need? And sometimes the answer is not immediately known. So you have to give yourself time to think, to reflect. And so when your boss comes to you with like, gawin mo to, Roy, gawin mo to, and you feel like, can you give me time to think about this? I might have some questions. Okay? And that's perfectly fine. No? Hindi mababagsak ang performance appraisal mo pag sinabi mo yun. And then you go to your boss and say, boss, here's my plate. No? My plate is full. You're giving me this and I don't know how to manage this, including my plate. Can we negotiate deadlines? Diba? Can I have support? There's nothing wrong with that. That's part of your right. You know, it's your right to ask for what you need in order to succeed from your boss, because your boss's job is to support you. That's the job of the boss, to support you, make sure that you have the resources that you need. Diba? Hindi yung binigyan ka ng trabaho, tapos hindi ka binigyan ng support, and then you're expected to exceed expectation. Right? So,